Now what I'm going to do is clean these bits up. If I clean it up I get it better look at it. That's a bit better. Clean off the fan. Yeah. Now I'm going to place this motor in the vise. Tighten up enough to hold it. I'm going to place this very fine foil on the armature. Just gently just turn it. It's coming up a lot cleaner now. It doesn't matter if it doesn't work because anything's worth a try, you know. I know that the armature was very bad, it was scored and everything, so I'm getting that, cleaning that down now. I'm not using the foil itself, I'm turning the armature so as to keep it true. You see yourself there now, how clear that's coming up. See the armature on that. Much better. Now I'll scrape out between the segments as well. I'll use a blade to scrape out between the segments. Clear that out. And see if it makes any kind of a difference. You see there, I've cleaned the armature. Segments, the divisions between them are full of crap. I was just carving off the brushes, but now it's all cleaned, as you can see there, dried off. And now I'm just going to put it all back together and see if it makes any difference. I'm just connecting up the brushes again. Just a reversal of removing. Okay. Nice in its locating lug. That was the bit that was broken off when I first took it apart. Shouldn't make any real difference to the actual running of it. Okay. Now, it's back in. That seems to be working okay. It's early days, yeah. You know, just with the gearbox back on. There it is, all back together. Just wait and see now. Won't get my hopes up too early. Just wait for them to bed in again because I'm after cleaning the armature. Sounds better, but I'll wait and see what the story is. Give it a few days and then I'll know what the story is. That's it anyway. Hopefully it'll work. The drill is working perfect now. It's been a couple of days. No problems, no more smoke. The only conclusion I can come to is that there was a bad connection between the commuter and the brushes, and this was causing it to a resistance to build up there, and it was causing it to overheat, and the problem was getting progressively worse. So cleaning up the commuter on the armature solved the problem, and I think just washing everything else wouldn't have made any difference really. That's where the problem was solved, and that's basically it.